Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's going to be a Glossybox unboxing. Super excited for this. It's January 2020, so let's see what they have in this month's box for this year. Let's start off, hopefully it's something good for the new year. As usual, let me open the box. I love this box. I always keep all my boxes, so oh, I'm loving this setup. Okay. This is very aesthetic, isn't it? Look at that bedroom, so cozy. Loving it, loving it. So this is called Sleep and Refresh Glossybox. Let's open it and see what's inside this month. I only got it today, so I thought why not open it right now. Let's see what's inside this month. Little leaflet right here. Happy New Year, Glossies. 2020 is finally here, and that means it's time to kickstart your new beauty routine filled with 5 full-size products. What? Oh, a January Sleep and Refresh edit includes everything you need to create a revitalizing ritual to get up and take on the year ahead. Get ready to discover the perfect beauty tool and cosmetics for that refreshing no makeup look, as well as complexion boosting skincare that will give you an I wake up like this or woke up like this glow. We have a sneaky feeling that some of these beauty gems will become your new favorites. So let's jump right in and see what they have, because I do not want to look at nothing inside the box. As usual, the box comes with this cute little packaging. I love it. I just love these boxes. Just feels like it's a present for me. Alright, so if you can hear the kids at the back, they're just having a bath and they just get excited when they're having a bath. So, right, let's dig in. I'm not trying to look in there, but let me show you guys a sneak peek. Alright, so first off, I see Model Co. Clear Brow Gel. Okay, and this says keep those brows in place. Alright, let me open this quickly. And this is full size. They said we have 5 full size this month, so this is the full size. It's nice pink packaging. Let's see how much this is. So Model Co. Clear Brow Gel is normally £14, already more than the box, or the similar price to the box, and you can get this on modelco.com. And yeah, you all know what a brow gel is for, so let's not really talk about it. But £14 is kind of expensive still, but yeah, let's give this a try. I'll let you guys know how it went. So next product, I'm not going to talk too long about a brow gel. It just keeps your brows in place, and I'm trying to go, this is my natural brows. I just shape it with some concealer. No more filling in, nothing. All I need is some brow gel and I'm good to go. So oh, we have basic tweezers. Okay, so we have some tweezers. It's always nice to get some tweezers, and this is a nice little pink. Oh dear, it fell out the little bag. Oh, these ones are really cute. It's the same color as the packaging. It's like a nice pink. Oh, I love that pink. And it's from Basic Beauty. How much is this little tweezer right here? Let's see. I will definitely be using this, even though I don't tweeze my eyebrows, but if anything, it goes into a giveaway box. It says Basic Beauty tweezers are normally £15.50. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so that's £15.50. So that I'll put in a giveaway box, but they really were talking about how tiny and slanted this tweezer is, so it probably picks up a lot of little hairs and stuff, which I think is great. And it's got a little filing bit there, if you guys can see. But yeah, I didn't know tweezers were that expensive, guys. Anyways, let's jump right into the other product this month, which is a naked bar. And it's a blueberry muffin, raw fruit and nut bar, and it's gluten, wheat, dairy free. So I like to taste things, so I'm going to give it a little try. Oh, it smells very blueberry. if that's a word. It looks like that. Little. Mmm. Oh my gosh, tastes like cake. Very moist and fruity. There's nuts in it, but you can't really taste like crunchy nuts. Oh my god, this is good. Alright, how much is this little snack? It's not in here. I think I got a free product. Okay, this is not in there. So thank you, oh my gosh. And for that, I'm gonna give it another bite. Thank you, but thank you, Glossybox. All right. Next, I see Barbie. Barbie. All right. Strawberry booster. This was in last month's preview. It's a cold pressed strawberry seed oil, 100%. Oh my god. This is what it looks like. Let's smell it. And it's not pink, guys, it's just a normal color. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, rub it in. Oh, okay. It doesn't have a scent or anything, but it smells very oily, like, you know, like at first it might smell like a fish oil, but it's not. It's more like a vitamin E kind of oil. Okay, it's omega-3 oils. Okay, yeah, so I'm definitely going to be trying this. It says it's vegan and cruelty free. Let's see how much this was. And strawberry booster by Bybee is £12, and you can get it on bybee.com. It's a cold pressed strawberry seed oil, and it's a secret to softer and brighter complexion. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely going to be using this. And you just put it on your face, or you can mix it with your cream, BB cream or foundation, and it gives you extra boost of moisture, which we all need, especially during winter. So that's my hand that I put some on just now, and that's my hand before. You can definitely see a little glow on here. Yeah, so loving that. Next I see Kushi, I hope I'm saying that right, Kushi Double Effect Makeup Remover. It's cleansing and calming, and it's good for sensitive areas and eyes. It removes waterproof makeup. It removes waterproof and long-lasting makeup. This little baby right here. We all need a makeup remover. I like just to use coconut oil just to get it off. Any oil will get rid of your makeup naturally, but you know, it's always good to have some kind of makeup remover, and I think this really looks good. Look at that. Okay, so how much was this? The Double Effect Makeup Remover is normally £10.30, and it says it helps, you know, to take away, as I said before, waterproof and long-lasting makeup. It clears oily fat. It clears the oils from your skin, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and cleansed. They say shake well before use, apply it to cotton and sweep over your face. So really loving those products right there. This box is a bit mixed match, isn't it? We've got makeup remover, we've got skin booster, we got clear brow gel, we got tweezer. So it's just about, and I guess it's more about like natural skin, as they were saying. You woke up like this, so you got nice brows, just gonna fix your brows and go tweeze them, put some brow gel, get your skin booster on, you know, wipe your makeup off. Natural skin, natural. Oh yeah. So okay, so next we have something certain. I love CBD oil. This is CBD oil infused sheet mask. Oh, this sounds like my cup of tea. So after you take your makeup off, you're gonna put your face mask on. Okay, but okay, I keep trying to say the B because you know I'm subscribed to Birdbox. I meant to say Glossybox. Okay, so it's Beauty Pro CBD infused sheet mask, and it's plant-based range. That's a mouthful. So this got CBD, lavender and rosehip oil, and you only put it on for 15 minutes. This is what it looks like, guys. Alright, so how much was this? This Beauty Pro mask is $5.95, and it says even if you haven't had a full 8 hours, you still have glowing skin thanks to this biodegradable bamboo sheet mask infused with anti-inflammatory cannabis oil, and this helps to restore, calm and soothe your complexion while also evening out your skin tone and reducing the appearance of blemishes. We all need that. So apply it to your skin for 15 to 20 minutes, remove and massage the extra serum onto your face. Thank you so much, Glossybox, for this, you know, skin boost for this month. We all need that boost after the Christmas and festive season, you know, wearing all that makeup and stuff. Who doesn't need a nice skin booster and to go natural for like a few days, you know what I'm saying? This is definitely going to be something pampering for me. And what I don't use, I'll put in a giveaway as usual. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. This is all my products in this month's box. I'm really loving the free product though. This naked bar is really, really good. Really thankful for that. And next month's sneak peek for February is, let me show you guys, and let me not say much about it. It's gonna be something for your complexion as well, so here we go. It's that pretty little bottle right there, and you guys can have a little read. Super excited to try that out. I already have a little glimpse through that. Yes, so can't wait guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe if you would like to see any more of my unboxings. But until next time guys, stay tuned and keep watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.